ahead and finished separating everything, dug through the actual trash chest that was at the bottom, found some more copper, some more wire, and a little bit more of aluminum. We pretty much emptied this. There is some stuff that just needs a further breakdown. But I was gonna put them in their piles, but I decided just go ahead and take them in today. We get a rough idea of what was in the bed price wise. The only thing that wasn't in there is this table. But other than that, the motor ain't going. I just haven't moved it out because I want to empty a spot in the garage to make sure I could get it in there. And I'm still trying to figure out some stuff, because before I get it started, I want to make sure the P port, or whatever you want to call it, was clear, so when I start it, it would automatically start. But I can't find it, which is making me think this one doesn't have it. So, which is weird. I really thought it should, because it's all enclosed like this. But who knows? I'll keep when I get it out and take it in, I'll fully take it down apart and figure it out. But yeah, let's get up there and figure out what we got today. Let's go. What the fuck? Oh. All right. See, I got to go over here and ask them up front about that, see if anybody claimed it yet. That'd be one nice little car hauler to take the demo cars out to the races. So I'll bring y'all back when I'm with Jeff. Onwards. With Jeff, turning everything out of the trailer bed, or truck bed. What do you mean?
Because I have a scrap life too.
Oh yeah.
I'm the professional scrapper here.
Ow. Let me go see who that is.
You always get phone calls.
Always, as soon as I start recording. Hello, Jessica.
Hi.
What's up? Yes, you can have your phone and everything, but wait till I get done here. I'll call you back. I know what you were gonna say. Let me call you back because I also need to talk to mommy and see if she's good with that. Okay, love you, bye. That one we should be able to pick up. I picked it up, put it in there.
Yeah, but if you want to.
Yeah, I mean it's not even full. Maybe 80 pounds.
80 pounds at the end of the day for me.
Yeah, like I said, only about 80 pounds. No, I've been breaking down stuff in the trailer. How much did that weigh?
84 plus 34 is 118 that we picked up.
Yeah, very light. Oh, where do you want the copper?
Everybody's pumping my car.
Right here?
That's that thing that I gave you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I cleaned one too.
Yeah, you just unroll it.
Yeah, you break it apart. You getting paid today?
Yeah, I'm gonna back up more so we can get the stuff out of the bed.
I actually found one that's Sterling.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, it's stamped on the bottom. Alright. Sterling.
Yeah, you got to get the weight out of it.
But I'm wondering if this is silver too.
All of it is.
Oh,
So this right here is going to have a metal rod in it.
Yeah.
And all this is going to have like this white clay stuff you got to break out.
I've done it before. I just don't want to. I think it's worth more like this.
It probably is worth more than like that. Hey, you got a knife?
Right there?
Yeah, because this strap's done. I barely was able to keep it on there. Aluminum rims. On the what one? Where do you want this? Is this ready?
Yeah. I see you snip those with the shear.
Yeah.
Snip.
That was before I started rewiring. I just haven't finished the wiring.
Is it chomping better?
Well, I don't know. I haven't finished it.
Alright.
And all this in here is aluminum.
Yep. Let's go get that first. That's all I'm with that. 58 on it too.
Okay.
Yep.
I must be getting super old because that felt heavy as heck.
I got a Mercury that's not this old, but it's got like a Chevelle on it. It spins like an old Chevy by Chevelle.
Yeah, that thing has amazing compression. I haven't tried getting it started yet. I'm pretty sure when I get gas and clean it and everything, it's going to too. Because like I said, that compression is so amazing on it.
I probably put it on the work.
Oh, can you find out the price on that trailer?
When he gets paid.
You said I have to wait till what happens?
What?
For the price on that trailer?
I finally, after 2.5 days, figured it out where I can get the fuel bail out.
You guys bring her up there now? For now? Yeah, I'm talking about around 1:30.
The past 3 days, I jumped at the back of the car.
All right, bring y'all back in a minute. Almost ready. So we are done. We made a total of $294. That was what was in the bed, except for what was in the trailer. Let's go ahead and eliminate that. So take $50 off. So $240 or $44 was in the bed of the truck, and we still have stuff, just motors and some random stuff I need to take apart. But wires, it was 84 pounds of wires. That's insane. And I still have my other 3 trash cans because I was going to tear them down last night and add it to it, but I really just wanted to see what was in the bed because it seemed like a lot. But those 84 pounds came out to $92. Copper was actually 23 pounds of copper that was just laying in the bed of the truck. The aluminum rims that they normally buy, I think it's $7 a piece, which would have been $14. We got $32 by cutting the tires off of those, which was pretty good. The extrusion, which was a lot of the aluminum we had, what it came out to be $37. And the regular aluminum came out to 19 bucks. So I mean, it all adds up. I mean, makes me kind of want to just leave it like that. I mean, if I could go about breaking it down as I go and put it into trash cans, that'd be cool too. But this, I like this. I like how there was that much money in this truck and it did not look like it. Could you imagine going out in one night and filling your truck, because it wasn't even over the top, it was like that high, right? And it's 290 bucks worth of stuff. That's insane. Oh, and for all of y'all that were asking, the noise, which I know y'all can't hear it now because it's not doing it, is the catalytic converters. When I came out this morning, I climbed underneath, had my wife start it, and the clicking started immediately, and it only happened from one side of the exhaust right at the catalytic converters. And when she turned the engine off, the engine was, when it came to a complete stop, you could hear the inside of the catalytic converter rattle down with a little bit of wind or exhaust that was passing it. So with the engine stopped, it still made the noise a little as the last bit of exhaust left. So I'm pretty sure my catalytic converter is just decaying, which is way better than a knocking engine. I mean, as you can hear, it's going to go in and out because that little piece that bounces around is going to get jammed here or there. It's a honeycomb, so it should not block the exhaust from leaving the vehicle. So I mean, it is what it is. Other than that, it's been a good day. We're gonna go out tonight, but if you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Bye bye for now.